that sounds weird. Can we get less
Sorry.
linking?
Oh, sorry, yes.
I know it sounds really odd. It's like on every syllable.
Innovation and product quality are key to staying ahead in the fast-paced, plant-based alternative market, whether this be creating a novel eating experience or mimicking meat or fish. Hydrocolloids are often used to create certain textures, with ingredients such as methyl cellulose, carrageenan, and konjac being most commonly used in plant-based products. Methyl cellulose is unique among hydrocolloids, as it's activated in cold water and gels when heated. This thermoreversible gel binds, thickens, and stabilizes the product, providing a firm and moist texture, as well as the desirable melt-in-the-mouth feel to plant-based products. It's always a balance for manufacturers when using these ingredients, as although they're highly functional, consumer perceptions of these ingredients isn't always positive. The development of a clean label alternative to hydrocolloids is a collective challenge faced by the food industry today. Hydrocolloids are not the only texturizers available. Our range of clean label and functional starches, proteins, and fibers can help you to develop innovative products that consumers want. Click through to find out more.